Goal setting is essential in life. Those who achieve success in life often have specific goals in mind. Some have written goals, others keep them in mind. The law of attraction, or manifestation, only works when you have goals. The only difference between a wish list and goals is the deadline. Until we begin working towards achieving them, goals remain merely wish lists. Why is goal setting important? Know what you want and set future goals to be happier and more successful. Goals help us sense where we are going and focus on the objectives we want to achieve. In times of adversity, it gives us motivation and keeps us inspired. Goals are also helpful in assessing our progress. Goals help us become more accountable, and we can improve our accountability and work in professional life. But there are problems. But on the other hand, there are also problems. Sometimes we set unrealistic goals. We spent too much time just thinking and planning. When you start putting in effort and results are not coming, instead of adjusting our sail, we start to be frustrated. My personal experience has shown that our long-term goals often lead to problems. It's very unclear what the situation will be after 10 to 15 years. The human mind can perceive a situation for a maximum of 3 months, which allows us to understand our current circumstances from a vantage point. Our vision cannot go beyond 3 months. Recently, I read a few quotes that all had a similar message. Lord Chesterfield said, "Take care of your minutes, and the hours will take care of themselves." Lord Chesterfield advised focusing on the tasks you need to complete at the moment to reach your goals. Leave the hours to consider how you want to plan out your life. Then, in the near past, Ramana Maharishi, an Indian guru, had 2 similar quotes. The first one is, "Engage yourself in the living present. The future will take care of itself." The second question is, why should you concern yourself with the future? You don't have a comprehensive understanding of the present. Take care of the present, the future will take care of itself. These 3 quotes mentioned only one thing: just focus on the present moment. To focus on the present moment means to concentrate on short-term goals. Why is it important to have short-term goals? The secret to success is to set short-term goals. Short-term goals are visible and easily achievable. And more importantly, you can verify what you achieve. In Dale Carnegie's How to Start Living and Stop Worrying, I read a quote from Thomas Carlyle. "Our main business is not to see what lies dimly at a distance, but to do what lies clearly ahead." Long-term goals are just vision. They hide in mist and dust. We cannot see far from now. If you still have long-term goals, then just write down these goals. Just set short-term goals. Align these short-term goals with your long-term objectives and concentrate on them. I hope you like this video. If you have goals, then you certainly have a happy life. Your future is bright. If you don't have goals, drift along. Just start sitting down. Write down what you want and start from where you are. Life will not change until you do not start acting.